Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
On Wednesday morning, the Supreme Court began hearing once again a PIL related to the rising pollution levels in Delhi NCR. The top court observed that India was sending a wrong signal to the world when its national capital suffers from toxic air every year and with little to no action taken against it in time. The Supreme Court told the centre that when the weather becomes severe, then measures are taken. The measures have to be taken in anticipation to stop air pollution, it said. Senior advocate Vikas Singh, appearing for the petitioner, told the Supreme Court that as per a media report this year, due to polls in Punjab, fines were not being imposed to please farmers who traditionally burn their crop stubbles to sow the fields in time for the next season. The Supreme Court said that it isn't concerned with this issue and it cannot micromanage such things. A bench of Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Surya Kant were hearing the plea today. Pressing for a statistical model, the court said that the acceptable AQI for Delhi should be defined. You have to predict the situation based on statistics and take action in anticipation so that the situation does not go severe, the court said. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said, "We take steps as soon as we are in severe situation so that it doesn't go to severe plus." The lawyer added that the situation will be reviewed after 3 days. "We are monitoring every day," he said. The Supreme Court said it will not close the air pollution case and give final orders. It further added that due to the seriousness of the issue, it will continue to hear this matter.